MRP 14,150. Deal price 11,990. Click the link below to get the offer. This product comes ready to use and does not require installation or demo. All product features are presented in the user manual that comes with the product. Semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. 8.5 kilograms capacity. 3 wash programs. Warranty, 2 years comprehensive warranty on product. Toughened glass lids and rust-proof polypropylene body. Hexascrub pulsator. Click the link below to get the offer. Click the link below to get the offer. Amazon India will kick off the sale on January 20th. However, Prime members will get early access at 12 noon on Saturday. 3. There will be a 10% instant discount via HDFC Bank.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Welcome to JP Online Store. Please do subscribe to our channel and click bell button. We are here to show the exact offer in the online shopping website.